It's another day in paradise, and you enjoy designing in SolidWorks until you run the shell command and before throwing your computer out of the window, give me 5 minutes to tell you how to handle such situation. I want to explain a little theory about what happens and makes you face these ugly errors. Don't skip this part because it's important to understand it in order to improve your design strategy. Consider this happy circle, for instance. If I try to draw an offset inside of it, the center point is the limit, and we can't draw the offset with a distance equal to or more than the radius of the circle. If I extrude this circle into a cylinder and try to create a shell from inside, the same scenario rules the situation. You can't have a pipe with a thickness greater than its radius. Every inner shell is like an offset surface, normal to the original reference at each point, and filled as a solid feature. So if the thickness value is greater than the radius of some point somewhere on the object, it's not possible to have such geometry. In some cases, the inner shell contains surfaces that cross each other, and there is something I call negative volume. This is CAD and not quantum physics, so we can't have such hypothetical concepts either. When the error occurs, use the check tools in the error diagnostics section to understand what is wrong with your geometry to find out what you are dealing with. If a little less thickness is not crucial and does the job, that's an option to give it a try. Another solution is to divide the part into separated sections. Create separated shells and combine them again. In some cases, you can exclude the area that caused the error by dividing it, doing the shell and combining it back to the model. If the shell doesn't work, but the offsetting surface is possible, you can create the surface offset and try to give it a thickness. Anything we discussed here could happen when you try to shell outward as well, and the solutions are more or less the same. If you have any questions or if there is something I should know, comment down below or join us on our community on Reddit. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.